be the Ningtho. A king is called Ningtho and a queen is called Laima in Manipur. And this story is from Manipur about what quality make a good ruler. रूलर होता है बेटा जो किसी कंट्री को चलाता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड रूलर. सो इन दैट व्हाट शुड क्वालिटी विल बी देयर, व्हाट शुड क्वालिटी शुड बी देयर, दैट वी विल सी. Long ago in the land of Kanglikpak in Manipur, there lived a Ningtho and Laima. वहाँ Ningtho and Laima they used to live there. They were loved dearly by the people and people used to like them. The Ningtho and Laima on their part never stopped thinking about their Miam, their people. और जो इस country के people थे, they used to think about them always. Our Miam should be happy, they said. और उनकी क्या सोच थी बेटा? That our Miam should be happy. The people were not only ones who loved their Ningtho and Laima, the birds and animals too loved them. Not only the people, but birds and animals also used to like them. The Ningtho and Laima always said, everybody in Kangleipak should live in peace. Everyone should be happy and everyone should live in peace here. Not only the people, the birds and animals and trees also. Their beloved king and queen had 3 sons. और उनके जो king and queen थे, they had 3 sons, Sanajoba, Sanaima and Sanatomba. 12 years later, a daughter was born. She was named Sanatombi. और उनकी जो daughter था, उनका नाम क्या था बेटा? Sanatombi. She was lovely child. बहुत प्यारी थी, soft and beautiful inside. She was loved by one and all. The year went by. The children grew up well. And one day, the Ningtho called all his ministers and said, अब क्या होता है जैसे जैसे वो बड़े होते हैं और वो grown up हो जाते हैं बेटा, then Ningtho जो king होता है, he called all his minister because he wanted to decide something. So what he said to the minister, it is now time to decide the Tongi Ningtho, the future king. तो वो कहता है कि अब हमारे फ्यूचर के किंग को डिसाइड करने का टाइम आ गया है. द मिनिस्टर्स वर शॉक्ड, क्योंकि पहले क्या होता था, बट ओ निंगथो व्हाट इज देयर टू डिसाइड? सनाजोबा, योर एल्डेस्ट सन विल बी आवर फ्यूचर किंग. तो पहले तो यही होता था कि जो एल्डर सन होता था, दैट वुड बी द फ्यूचर किंग. बट व्हाट द निंगथो सेड, दैट्स हाउ इट हैपेंड इन ओल्ड डेज. ऐसा पहले होता था. The eldest son always became the king, but time have changed. So let us select a king who is most worthy of becoming a king. So अब जो सबसे ज़्यादा deserving है, that should be our king. We will have a contest to select the future king. The Laima said. अब वो डिसाइड करते हैं कॉन्टेस्ट करने के लिए. And so in the land of Kangleipak there was a contest, a horse race. Who reached the Kongnegang, the banyan tree, first would be declared Tongi Ningtho. और जो पहले banyan tree के पास पहुंचेगा, that son will be the future king. But then a strange thing happened. Sanajobi, Sanaima and Sanatombi, all 3 of them reached the race together. इकट्ठे पहुंच जाते हैं. They were expert rider and all 3 reached the finish line at the same time. There was a great excitement. अब हर कोई बहुत excited था. Look at them, the people shouted. सभी shout करने लगे. Shagol, Thomba, Nopa, such fine horsemen. अब इनकी language है, in their language they are saying कि तो सभी बहुत अच्छे horsemen हैं. But one question remained. Who would be the Tongi Ningtho? अब question तो वही था. It was still same question was there. So the Ningtho and Laima turned to their son. The Ningtho said, Sanajoba, Sanaima and Sanatomba, you have to do something different. अब क्या होता है? Suddenly Sanajoba mounted his horse and held his spear straight in front of him. जो ये spear है बेटा, that is a tool जो आगे से बहुत sharp होता है. तो वो अपने horse को आगे करता है और इस टाइप के अपने जो spear होता है वो सामने करता है. He looked around और चारों तरफ देखता है. There was a hush among people. What is Sanajobi, the eldest, going to do? They thought to themselves. वो आपस में सोच रहे थे what he is going to do now. Sanajoba then looked at the huge Kongnegang standing majestically in distance, he pierced the tree and jumped his horse right through it. अब वो क्या करता है कि जो ट्री है उसके बीच में अपने स्पीयर को करता है स्ट्रेट, और वो जो ट्री होता है पीसेस में डिवाइड हो जाता है और उसके बीच में से अपना हॉर्स निकाल लेता है. Bravo, bravo, the people shouted thorough, and then they fell silent. अब वो शाउट करते हैं और फिर एकदम साइलेंट हो जाते हैं. Now it was the turn of second son, Sanaima. What would he do? Sanaima too looked at the Kongnegang as he mounted his horse. उसने भी सेम वही किया. Then he too rode toward the tree harder and harder. The people watched in silence. The people watched in silence after even to breathe. अब सभी चुपचाप देख रहे थे कि what is going to do now. When he was really close, he urged his horse to jump. Higher and higher the horse rose until horse and rider jumped clear over the huge tree and landed on the other side in a wonderful motion. और वो भी बहुत अच्छी तरीके से लैंड करता है, बहुत ही बेहतरीन वे से बेटा. The people breathed in relief. They were fine. All the people were fine कि उन्होंने भी सेम चीज कर दी. And said in unison, Fajai, Fajai, wonderful, wonderful. And now it was the turn of the youngest son, Sanatomba. He too rode his horse toward the Kongnegang tree, and before anybody knew what was happening, uprooted it. Triumphantly, he carried the tree to the Ningtho and Laima and laid it at their feet. वो भी बहुत ही नाइस वे में उसको क्रॉस करता है ट्री को और निंगथो और लाइमा के सामने खड़ा हो जाता है. Shouted, "Oh, Thoro, Thoro, Fajai, Fajai, fill the mountain." The people grew restless. Now still the same thing was going on in the mind of the people. Why were the Ningtho and Laima taking so long to make the announcement? So same question was striking in the mind of the people ki why the Laima and Ningtho is taking so much time to make the announcement who should be the future king. They craned their neck to see what was happening. The Ningtho and Laima were watching Sanatombi, their 5-year-old daughter. अब जो निंगथो और लाइमा क्या कर रहे थे, अपनी बेटी को देख रहे थे. She looked sad and lonely. She stared at Kongnegang, which they did by the throne. Birds flapped worriedly around, searching for their home in the tree. Sanatombi walked up to the Kongnegang tree and whispered, "The Kongnegang is dead. It was hurt by spear and now it is dead." Why she was worried? She was worried about the tree, about the birds जो tree के ऊपर रहते थे. So they don't have home. So she was very worried about this condition. The people were all attention. The Ningtho stood up. He looked at the 3 boys. He looked at the little girl. He turned to the people. Now वो पहले अपने बेटों की साइड देखता है. Then he turned to his little girl, and then he turned to the people. If anybody is worthy of becoming ruler, he said, it is little Sanatombi. It was she who told us to look at the soul of the Kongnegang. तो वो क्या कहता है कि ये जो ट्री है, जो गर्ल है, she is the only one who is worried about the birds and about the tree. अब जो बॉयज थे उन्होंने तो क्या किया था बेटा, ट्री को भी हर्ट किया एंड बर्ड्स को भी किया, बट शी इज वरीड अबाउट देम. सो Sanatombi feels the pain of others. She feels the pain of the people and animals and birds and the trees. I declare Sanatombi the future Laima of Kangleipak. The Ningtho said. A silence fell. Everyone turned to look at the little girl, their future queen. There she stood, all of 5, like a small Kongnegang with the birds flying all around her. They sat on her shoulders and on her head. जो birds होते हैं वो उसके shoulder पे और उसके hand पे बैठ जाते हैं. She held out her hand full of grain and she bring the grain in her hand, and the birds flapped about her, picking at the food. और जो उसके हाथ में से जो ग्रेन होती है, the birds are taking that. A Laima is one who doesn't hurt anybody in the kingdom. और असली लाइमा वही होता है, लाइमा या निंगथो, जो कभी किसी को हर्ट नहीं करता. And the girl who is worried about the birds, animals and tree, she deserves the Laima of the country. So at last Sanatombi was the real king. Sanatombi was the real queen of the country.